никой не вярваше, че в Европа е възможно да бъде създадено подобно производство. Ние доказахме, че тази мисия е възможна. Благодаря на всички приятели, партньори, гости, благодаря на нашите акционери от Sila Energy Invest и Фонда за капиталови инвестиции към Българска банка за развитие, за безрезервната им подкрепа в тези предизвикателни времена. И на последно място поред, но може би първо по значение, благодаря на целия екип на IPS.
Let me congratulate you to the opening of Bulgaria's first gigafactory, a factory dedicated to the production of utility-scale battery energy storage systems. It has great potential to contribute to Bulgaria's and Europe's path towards climate neutrality and energy resilience.
I would like to congratulate International Power Supply and its partners for being amongst the first strategic projects that have been selected under the Net Zero Industry Act of the European Union.
I also wish you to warmly congratulate you on the status of the Net Zero Strategic Project, underlining the pioneering role that IPS is playing to push technologies needed to reach climate neutrality. To be one of only 7 projects to receive this recognition in Europe is an achievement you should be very proud of.